Model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 130PS 300 Limited Crew Cab Front-Wheel Drive, L2H1 MOTED Ready to Go Open Mouth Smile Trader Margin Open Mouth Smile. Body, white, Crew Cab Panel Van. Mileage, 50,686. MOT, 12 July 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Brake pads need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, cruise